Benefits of waking at 5 a.m. Transformative impact on your life. Be productive, focus on personal goal, better time management and discipline and structured lifestyle. Increased productivity. Your day start with a head start, allowing you to tackle the task with a fresh mind and fewer distractions. Time for personal growth, self-improvement, exercise, meditation, or learning a new skill. Better time management. Waking up early, plan your day more effectively, leading to improved time management and reduced stress. Quiet and peaceful time. Early morning you will find often quieter, providing you a peaceful environment for focused work or introspection. Health benefits. A consistent early wake up time can promote better sleep patterns and enhance overall physical and mental health. Increased discipline. Rising early requires discipline, which can spill over the other areas of life, fostering a better habits. When you have seen the last sunrise, because waking at 5 a.m. will give you a sunrise benefits. Witnessing this sunrise can be a beautiful and motivating experience that sets a positive tone for your day. Enhance goal achievement. Extra morning hour can be dedicated to pursuing personal or professional goals, leading to a greater success. More family time. Waking up early can create opportunities for quality time with family before the day gets busy. Reduce procrastination. With a head start of the day, you are less likely to procrastinate or feel rushed. So, have you decided to wake up at 5 a.m.? If yes, join our free online workshop. We are going live morning 5 a.m. from 11 September 2023. See you live there. Thank you.